Kingdom Death Monster is a boutique board game funded by Kickstarter. If you didn't buy it through the original Kickstarter and you are not Elon Musk, then you can't afford it. So give up now. Or join the second Kickstarter. You didn't join the second Kickstarter, did you? Oh dear. It was your one chance to avoid divorce. Kingdom Death Monster is a cooperative RPG / dungeon crawler / world builder for 4 players. Except it isn't. It is a single player game. No really. Try getting 4 people to play this game. 3 of them will sit around getting drunk and periodically rolling dice, while one person makes all the decisions. They may as well not be there. Maybe this is a problem with all cooperative games. Or just the people I play with. Spineless peasants, all of them. On a positive note, Kingdom Death Monsters comes with a lot of stuff. It comes with approximately 400 million cards representing every animal, vegetable, and human secretion that the game designer could think of. This equipment is your real continuous resource in this game. Characters die randomly and frequently, usually not to monsters, like the title would suggest, but to random events like the Plague and the Bone Witch. Fuck the fucking Plague and the goddamn fucking Bone Witch. You could say that this game is broken. After a few fights, the tactical part is pretty easy once you learn how to game the monsters and get good equipment. Unless you challenge yourself by hunting higher level monsters. But the rewards are not worth it, considering the risk. In fact, almost any situation where there is risk for usually meager rewards is not worth engaging with, since the game becomes about risk minimization, so that your population does not die out to random fucking shitty event dice rolls. I don't know. Maybe the point is you need to play the game in hard mode. By choice. By skirting as close as you can to that risk, even though it does not reward you for doing so. Also, the game is long. The campaign is essentially 25 sessions long. I play with 2 friends. Or actually, I play on my own. And pay 2 random homeless people to turn up and get drunk on free booze, provided by me to justify me spending $500 on this fucking board game. Also, there are lots of models that you will never build because there's too many options, and if you are like me, you will never be able to decide which weapons or funny hats to glue in place. The monsters are cool though, especially the Phoenix Doctor Who thing. So really there are 3 monsters you will fight regularly. The lion is alright, I guess. The antelope thing is tedious to fight as it runs away all the time. You might think the giant phoenix is super scary. It's not. It's just a time traveling douchebag. It's like Kentucky Fried Doctor Who. The only problem is you always have to fight it with new characters, not old ones who can do cool shit. You will find out why. No spoilers. Also, you can climb inside its ass and maximize your wisdom or some shit. No joke. Okay, so minor spoilers. Anyway, in summary, Principality Fatality Demon is alright. And the fecal salve is funny. Just don't tell anyone how much it cost. The game, that is. Not the poop paste.